What's up guys, so today I want to show you this really cool budget gaming headset. So this video is for all the people who want a cheap but very good gaming headset. So let's don't waste time and get right into it. So the headset we have right here is the Blackshark V2X gaming headset from Razer, and it currently sells for about 35 to 40 bucks. So now let's take a look at the spec sheet. So most importantly, this thing has 50mm drivers and I can't complain about the sound quality. So the sound quality is really solid, but it's still not really special. It also comes with 7.1 surround sound and it's also compatible with pretty much any platform because of its 0.3mm headphone jack. Moreover, the microphone of the headset is also very well rounded. And to show you the quality, I recorded the whole video with this mic. Comparison, I recorded this little part without the mic. Another cool feature about this mic is that it also has its little mute switch and also this little wheel to regulate the volume of the sound. Design wise, it has a really clean and really nice looking design. It even got some small details like this razer lettering. For the build quality, they used really solid and well made material, and also the patterning of the headset is really good. This also goes for the wearing comfort. And also this headset nearly fits every head because of its adjustable sides and the high quality patterning. Razer didn't even left out the unboxing experience. What's also really cool is that you get this spec in your packaging. There are also some other cool accessories you get with your headset, like this sticker. So overall, this headset is a really solid piece of hardware and there's not very much to complain about. Also, there are even some premium features that you wouldn't expect from a $35 headset. So I definitely would recommend this headset to everybody who don't want to pay much for a headset but still wants a very good experience. Compared to the other headsets in this price category, you will probably not find much better gaming headsets. And also be careful that you don't buy some cheap, low quality, no-name gaming headset. With that in mind, have a good day and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.